We have over 400 academic meetings in the lecture theatres every year, and that occupies the lecture theatres for about 60% of the time. So the other 40%, they're available as very valuable assets in the centre of London that we can hire out to external clients, and all the revenue from that that's generated is then gift aided back to the Royal Society of Medicine. We want state-of-the-art technology for our academic programme to enable the lecturers and the presentations to get to engage the audience, but at the same time we also want to be attractive to corporate clients and therefore offer the latest in AV technology and event technology for them. At some point last year we thought about the fact that we were creating a new lecture theatre called the Wimpole Lecture Theatre with what would be the term state-of-the-art technology, and therefore we thought we have to put in a programme of upgrades for our existing lecture theatres. With the Guy Whittle Auditorium being our flagship 300-seat lecture theatre, that was top of our list. What we did was use the specification for the Wimpole Lecture Theatre to guide us in the Guy Whittle, and this way, by standardising the kit across the two lecture theatres, it made it easier for the in-house team, for operation point of view, for maintenance, etc. The input from the in-house team, for example, on the GUI, on the AMX 20-inch touch panel, I mean there's a lot of real estate there, and we deliberately chose that because you could have a multi-touch, two-technician control at the same time. And the in-house team put a lot of input with the programmer to create a bespoke interface that was exactly how we knew we wanted to work, and based on our previous experience. And so when we created the same control system in the Guy Whittle Auditorium, obviously we learned from the interface that we'd created for the Wimpole Lecture Theatre, and very much went along the same lines but tweaked it according to the experience we had over the last few months. What we added to the project was an extra day of programming to be done 2 or 3 months after the project was completed, so that any tweaks we wanted to make, any improvements on the interface, we knew we had a programmer coming back to execute those according to what we requested. So it's worked out perfectly. We've got an interface that works exactly how the in-house team wants to work. The Biamp Tezera system is something we put into the Wimpole Lecture Theatre first, and we're actually one of the first in the country to have that installation and that product. And since then, with the Guy Whittle installation, that is now one of the largest Biamp Tezera installations in Europe. And the plan is now to spread the Biamp Tezera system across all our event spaces, create a digital audio network. Specifically, we created a digital system that can handle high resolutions. So from a visiting lecturer who brings his own laptop using a high resolution digital output, we've now got the setup to deal with that quite comfortably. And at the same time, from a video production point of view, we've now got an inbuilt system that's based around the HD cameras, HD recorders and the vision mixer, so we can create HD video production, which is more and more in demand, along with live and on-demand streaming.